Well, I arrived at Archer's National Park and I sat in line for 2 hours with other visitors to the park and couldn't get in. The reason wasn't credentials. You needed a time entry ticket. I never heard of that before. In other words, you needed a reservation to get into the park. And it looks like this. And so the instructions on here is that you have to go to the recreation.gov website, create an account, and simply follow the instructions on this. You can do it all on your mobile device, get back in line, wait 2 hours, and then get to the park. I just didn't want to do that. It's very hot out here today. So I will miss the Arches National Park. Sorry I couldn't bring it to you. So I'm going to continue to my next destination, which is about an hour from here. It is the Natural Bridges National Monument. And so I'll check that out. But I'm looking at this big rock or big mountain in front of me. Check this out. So I'm going to continue on my way. This is a pull off of US 191 Utah. What you see in front of you is called Wilson Arch. I can definitely smell the moisture in the air. I'm about 35 miles away from Natural Bridges National Monument. Hopefully there won't be any rain. If there is, I'm still gonna stop and take some video. Okay, this is the Natural Bridges Welcome Center, and you need to pay a fee to get into the park, so I'll let you know what that will be. Okay, fee into the park is free if you have a national park pass, and there are trails in here to hike, but it's, the sun's going down in about an hour. But following the road here, it's a 9-mile loop drive, so that won't take long. And along the way, there are some views. So let's go check it out. This 9-mile loop around the park is called Bridgeview Drive. There's no overnight parking and there's no camping in the park. The park is open 24/7. However, the visitor center, they close at 5 p.m. I might add that along this road, you'll also find places where you can stop and have a picnic. There are rest rooms along the road as well. This is a one-way road. Now, this is the kind of noise I like. No noise. This is so beautiful. There's an arch right there. Nice park. Not a whole lot of people either. This might be one of those best kept secrets. I like where there's no crowds. There's a restroom facility right there. Oh, the trail is muddy. I don't like mud. Especially don't like cleaning them off my shoes. This might be good enough right here. This is fantastic. Yeah, perfect. Let's get a panoramic.